This is question 35, the SPM 1998 question. They probably give you too little space, yeah, because we need to change the base first. Okay, there are a lot of ways to do it, but I think it's easier we change this base to base 4, yeah. Now you notice, right, that log AB we can change to 1 over log BA. So I'm going to change this to 1 over log base 4 square root x. Yeah, I switch the position, the result is u. And we know that square root means power half. So maybe I invert first. This now 1 over 4. And log base 4 x, the power half I put in front. Alright. This 1 over u, I wrote only 1 over u. So now what I do with the 2, I multiply up. So log base 4x is 2 over u. I think it's easier to change to base 4 first. The second one, I will change to base 4 as well. Base 4, y, 2 stays on top, w stays here. But what is log base 4 2? Now remember, 4 power what is 2? Answer is power half. Yeah, square root of 4 is 2. So this is 1 over 2 with the log base 4 y, the result is w. So can I bring this up, bring this down? Now I wonder whether you can see this. When I bring this up, the w goes down, the w go underneath here. This will be my log base 4 y. I switch this up, right? There's a half here, w goes down, right? So now with that, I can use this information to expand log base 4 x. The power 3 I put in front, y I separate it. So 3 log base 4 x is now 3 times 2 over u. This is now 1 over 2 w. The result 6 over u, 1 over 2 w. As I cross multiply 12w plus u, 2uw, right? Okay, that's the answer.